Friends, greetings to all. Today's topic is objectives of research. This is the second aspect after the meaning and definition in the introduction chapter of the research methodology. The objectives of research differs according to the nature of the study and according to the knowledge of the individual and according to the time of the study. Even then, the objectives may be outlined basically into four categories. First one is to gain familiarity with the phenomenon and to get insight out of that. So, familiarity with the phenomenon means one individual is trying to, prepare for civil service. Then that student should be familiar with all the subjects related to it. There is a boundary. Within the boundary, the students should study all that and get familiar with that. Otherwise, one may be interested of studying about the, sports, studying about the economical conditions within a country or, in other countries. And studying and thereby they will be getting familiar with that. Then after getting familiarity, then they may bring out some insight out of that, new insight out of that. That is the gaining familiarity with the phenomenon. Next, second one is to portray the character of an individual or a group or a situation. So, the character of one individual or one concern may be studied, or maybe individual means the you can take Reliance Ambani, you can take, and studying the character and his dynamic activity, everything. Then that character of a group, and group means the college students or maybe employees in a concern or the some social organization. What are their group behavior or character of a situation, studying about a situation, surroundings. This is the second objective of the research. And third one is to know the frequency in which something happens and its association with something else. Then frequency with which something happened means you can take the rainfall, how many time it occurs, or individual you take their attitude of consumption of tea and how frequency it is taking place. Small example only, how frequent. Some may be 10 times and some may be 15 times, some may be 5 times. Then its association with something else in order to get some kind of motivation, refreshment, that may be the association. So this may be in a concern means the buying behavior of an individual, and that may be related with the festivals. Okay, and how often they are visiting the shop. How often an individual or in the individuals in a locality are visiting the margin-free shop, and its association, whether it's based on income, based on some offer. So all the aspects, very good thing, the third one. Then last one is to test the hypothesis of the related to the causal relationship of some variables, that is education and employment, then salary and satisfaction level, then clean house and health, how it is associated, then forming a hypothesis and thereby testing the hypothesis. Okay. Thank you very much.